Boom, DJ Dreadbeard. So today we are going to look at the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa and the damages it has done to the country, and why most Jamaicans are calling this storm a man-made hurricane created by HARP. Don't be fooled by old hurricane videos. And
so by now many of you would have seen that Jamaica has been hit by a Cat 5 hurricane, and in order to make it very easy for you to assist Jamaica, the government of Jamaica has set up an official website. It is supportjamaica.gov.jm.
Hold on to Jesus.
So these are two examples of the fake videos and AI videos where I get whole heap of views. So this one where I look upon with the roof a blow off, you can see the tornado there right over the right hand side, and you hear the brother a cuss a bad word. So what them do voiceovers to AI videos. So what them do is Jamaican voiceover to other disaster we're going in other country. So the one where I look upon now are over Kenya, and them said this happened about 2 years ago. So the roofing and the housing would have looked like out of Richmond Estate, out of St. Anne's Bay. So what them do is get footage from other country will look like Jamaica, whether over Africa or other small island, whether it want be 2 years ago, 3 years ago. So them use them footage there for big donation while people really need it, not get it. So if you feel like you want to donate, make sure you not get scammed in the process. And the real people who want the help, now get the help. And some of them are just clickbait, some of them are just views them a look, like all Fresh Drop now. Fresh Drop probably a look views, but these are the original one from over Africa. So Vybzkartel make the post here. I made a post and everyone had an opinion on who gets the money. This is not about politics, this is about Jamaica. So help if you can and pray if you can, but keep your politics to yourself. Good day. Yo, hear me I say. You see this haters obsession wanna have with Vybzkartel, it need to stop. And sometime wanna go brush it off as trolling. But at this point, a obsession bro. Because why the man a donate and una still have a problem? Like me not see nobody else a donate and people have a problem with it. Like probably una say yo, him not fi donate to the government. You know, me not exactly know what them did I say in the comment section.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Insight, informative entertainment vlog.
The flap place.
Alright, so this is the aftermath of everything. Every ground floor houses in Kitchener district has and have been flooded completely. So the entire river water washed the entire Kitchener community. And right here is just a small fraction of what happened into other communities within the further section of Kitchener. I believe water went up to roughly 7 feet high, gushing through the entire community. So every ground floor houses is completely flooded. Persons have to evacuate going upstairs to their neighbor houses yesterday around 7 to 8 o'clock when the water started to rise dangerously. As you can see, some persons trying to see if they can clear some water, the drainage, so water can start run off, so people can start clearing away muds from the houses.
Yo, you see the hurricane, it wicked and Gilbert, Gilbert are the category 3. This a category 5. So people can stop talk about Gilbert and start talk about Melissa now. But the only thing with the hurricane now, half of the country feel it. Half of the country destroyed beyond belief, and the next half of the country, them not feel nothing. Because which part me don't know, nothing at all, not happen. I like business as usual. Supermarket open, gas station open. You see me, the only thing we're down, a Wi-Fi and water just go away. You see me, but everything else up. Electricity up, data up, everything else up. You see me, but me don't want the people them take this as a flex. Like me see people in a comment section and say, which part me live? Nothing not go on. Like which part me live? No, all the little light in them were silent in the night. Not even that you see, bro. So me kinda agree with the people them say something right. You see me? Somebody have to tell me say a regular thing for hurricane not have lightning and thunder. For me say yo, nothing wrong. And then the little video I circulate right now.
Researchers are creating their own storms in a state-of-the-art lab. It could end up saving lives. Mark, good morning.
Good morning. This tank gives scientists and the rest of us a view no one has ever had before. What a hurricane's power looks like at water level as it storms ashore. In just 2 minutes, scientists here can take calm waters and turn them into a monster hurricane.
The wind is gradually getting stronger and stronger as it's coming up here, and it's ramping up to a Category 5. It's probably about a Category 3 right now.
This 75-foot-long tank is the first simulator in the world capable of creating a Category 5 hurricane over water. Brian House is the director of the University of Miami's new laboratory at the Rosenstiel School of Marine and Atmospheric Science.
What was it like when you cranked it up the first time, full blast?
It was stunning. I mean, it was it was chills.
Nearly 40,000 gallons of seawater fill this tank. House uses a computer program and a single 1,700 horsepower fan.
But you know my style already, a intelligent reasoning there over here, so. That way I look upon is a simulation. You see me? So that can't really create no storm, but the argument they go on and then the video go on like a propaganda thing. Behind it me say go on and people are say, you see it? But then you have a next thing when name ARP. I think a HRAAP. You see me? The one that they come out one long time I tell us say, them have one place where I make storm and them thing there, so people are say ARP. And then the video go on and say, yeah man, a ARP. But this is just one simulation. You see me? But as me say, me are gonna need somebody tell me say, yo, you have hurricane, a regular thing for hurricane have lightning and thunder. You see me? Alright, so we will get to the part of the video now. How you can donate and where are the credible source them for donate. And here I want to tell you say, you see people them were really affected. Let me play one more video. You see people like she.
People, this is my worst nightmare. My worst nightmare come to people. see the guys, the top dropping, the whole of it gone. This is one of the room. This is the kitchen, over the back, over this dead part of the house. See the kitchen, one tree drop down in the house, guys. We can't pass through the kitchen. This is about the house, we can't go in the kitchen done and cook. We come in to cook. Little food so we can get it to eat. But look, as you go home, me left and go in there. Come down. The house dropping. People, we need help. We are wet up. We don't have one room left. One room left. We need help, guys. We need help. Help, people, help. Uncle room too. Every room gone. The uncle room too, guys. You know, everything dropping. The house stop dropping. Everywhere dropping. People, we need help. Help! Help, people, help! What I wake me up all about? Look, see there? We need help! Help! All, everyone in the house gone. You want tree drop in there? Want tree drop in the people, boy? Jesus Christ!
Yo, me feel it for the woman, yeah. But you see people like them, yeah. You see when them go up on them live and I beg, you give them a them people, yeah. Uno figure uno money too. Don't get far for no AI and no old time video. When them people go live and people take shame out on the AI who never used to beg or no in the beggings. Uno go up on the internet and beg because watch ya. People are giving money like crazy over TikTok.
If you're Jamaican and you have a TikTok account that can go live, go live. Go live as long as you can throughout the hurricane. I'm telling you right now, the amount of people who are sending gifts are insane. Monetize off of the...
Yeah, because when I look on the screen right now, you see say, yo, Jamaica get $24 billion and that Miami Eats donate $1 million and the UK donate, I think, £1 million and one will per donation. But you see them people, yeah, we know want next year or next 2 years a year people say from Melissa them roof no go on, or from Melissa only half of them house fix back. Because you see all of them billions of dollars where the government a get, them a go fix road, infrastructure and hospital. One will the hospital get damage and them thing there. That's a way to go on. You see me? You see some people that way up in some hills and some cut off place and we hear about it all the while. People are telling yo from Gilbert, them not get back no water, and from Gilbert they not get back no light, and we don't want that happen. So all of who was the woman here beg people like them, yeah, we not go no money too. You see me? Yeah, we don't want to hear say people still suffer from Melissa 2 years from now. And then you have like Rosalie, them and the TikToker, them still a beg. Them probably all tell the people them so them flood out. Rosalie, them now make millions every day, man. We don't want to hear nothing about no TikToker. And people are giving them money for comedy. Right now, people are giving money for help the country. We don't want to see no TikToker right now unless we not help too. You see me? So this is how Vybzkartel reach in the topic. So Vybzkartel post a video with Sparks. I tell about the official website. And mind you, the reason why I think people in the comment section probably they must say, oh, government a thief and ray. But him tell us said this are the website where me donate to. Who don't think Miami Eats and all of them people they donate to? Are the same website because of the official website right now. So probably because of how him caption it and say are the only place for donate, are the only credible place? Yes. Because I have scammers out there. I gotta use government. Scammers I use everything, bro. I use it like a government and Jamaica that hard and Jamaica that this and that take with people money, bro. So the man tell us say are the only credible site. So me not understand why you know under the man comments, but we are gonna play with Sparks, and this are where you know for donate to. Because you see people are donate whole heap of millions of dollars. Them not gonna donate to no anti-Dana, bro. Them are gonna donate to the official site. So Vybzkartel have a point in a way, must say.
So by now, many of you would have seen that Jamaica has been hit by a Cat 5 hurricane. And in order to make it very easy for you to assist Jamaica, the government of Jamaica has set up an official website. It is supportjamaica.gov.jm, We've seen your prayers, we've seen your messages of support on social media, and that many of you would like to assist us in getting us back on our feet, because it has caused a lot of widespread damage across Jamaica, and it's going to take a lot of efforts to get us back on our feet. Again, if you'd like to assist in the recovery process, there is an official website. It is support.jamaica.gov.jm. That's the only site that you should go to if you would officially like to assist Jamaica. Just want to say again, thank you to all of the well-wishers. We've seen it, and we'd like to say thank you.
I wonder if you know the water. It leak out, storm blow out the whole of that. I saw it when strong, you see it? All the wall it blow down, brother. Everything it blow down.
Some festival that blow down, you know. But anyway, in closing, I wonder if people understand how strong a category 5 storm is. Category 5 storm a blow down even concrete structure, wall, anything. You see all them house there. You see all some dead left house, some house we are 40 years old, 50 years old. You see all them house there, the breeze will blow them down now. You see me? So, me I tell people right now we are build house. You see them red roof and them fancy roof thing there. Don't bother with them fancy roof thing there in a Jamaica, in a the hurricane. Because remember every year hurricane come in, so it's a good investment if one just can put on a concrete roof. So if you had a build a 4-bedroom house with the fancy roof, build a 3-bedroom with a concrete roof. You see me? Alright, you see all them youth here? Is a concrete structure them go park them carrying, you know. So even me, that would have catch me to come with the things I'm safe in the concrete structure for park my car. And then see it there. The breeze blow down all the concrete. You see me? So I learn something now. So anyway me there and here say one category 5 or forward, me I move. If I have a park the car in one of them rental places there. You know them car parking place with the upstairs? Yeah man, way upstairs bro. In them government building parking lot there. Yeah, because now we're not safe from a category 5. But anyway people, we have reached the end. I am DJ Dreadbeard, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Me I beg you to like the video. And if you want to support the channel, drop a super thanks in the comment section. I am out.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Insight, informative entertainment vlog.